This is question number 11, GATE Metallurgical Engineering 2014 question paper. As mercury is cooled from room temperature to 3 Kelvin, its electrical behavior changes from that of option A is conductor to insulator, option B is semiconductor to insulator, option C is conductor to superconductor, option D is semiconductor to superconductor. So firstly, like what is superconductivity? Basically superconductivity is like complete disappearance of electrical resistance. Almost infinite conductance is achieved in various solids when they are cooled below a critical temperature, and which is the characteristic temperature depending on various solids, below which what happens is like electrical resistance turns to be zero, which means that it can pass any amount of current, which is we are relating it that with superconductivity. As you can see in this graph, basically this is the plot of resistance with temperature. So with temperature the thermal vibrations in a material increase. So basically when we are talking about electrical conductivity, electrons are flowing through the material. So if the atoms are vibrating very fast, then these acts as the scattering point to these electrons, which basically increases the electrical resistance of the material. Hence you can see here in this graph that at higher temperature the electrical resistance of the material is higher. So as you go on increasing or decreasing the temperature, what happens is like the thermal vibrations decrease, which in turn decreases the electrical resistance, which is basically the scattering points for the moving electrons. So what happens is like if the material is not super conductive, then it will just follow this path. But in some materials it is observed that if you reach a certain critical temperature which is well below the room temperature, what happens is like it suddenly drops to zero resistance. Hence these materials which exhibits these phenomena are basically known as superconductors. Now coming to the question, like mercury, we know that it is a good conductor of electricity at room temperature, which is the only liquid metal. And the Dutch physicist Hugo Oens discovered superconductivity in 1911, and the material was mercury only. What he observed was at below 4.2 Kelvin, the material lost all of its electrical resistance and it tried to behave as a superconductor. So this like discovery of superconductivity was done on mercury only. So here the option is option C, from conductor to superconductor at 3 Kelvin.